When people come to me interested in building income with short-term rentals, I often hear this: man, I'd love to do it, but I just don't have the time. And I get it. Most of our members said the exact same thing. But here's what changed for every one of them. One of our members was juggling a full-time job, a family, and still trying to manage her first STR. Sound familiar? She was answering the guest messages at 11 p.m., 2 a.m., you name it. She was stressed every time a booking called in because it meant more work, and she was ready to quit. Instead, we helped her put a real system in place. We created automated pricing. We showed her how to integrate smart locks and messaging SOPs. We also reminded her that cleaners don't actually need all this hand holding. There's processes for that. And plus, there's optional management help if she wanted to step out completely. And today, she's spending under 2 hours a week working on her STR, and it's bringing in consistent profit, not to mention the awesome tax savings. Here's what she and a lot of first-time hosts had to realize: I have to manage everything by myself. You don't. There are tools and checklists that allow you to automate over 80% of all that. And if you don't want to be hands-off, we have vetted partners you can hand it off to without giving up huge margins that put you in the hole. Hiring a manager means losing money, not if you structure it right. Most managers are charging 20 to 30%, and they do the bare minimum. We show you how to keep control, delegate the right way, and still scale profitably. I need more time before I start. There is never going to be more time. You just get more bogged down by something else. I promise you that's how it happens. But if you start with systems that are built for busy people, you don't need time. You just need framework. That's what we give our members on day one. If you want to see what a low lift STR setup actually looks like, I built a free STR setup and automation guide. It's the same system that we use to help busy professionals launch STRs without turning it into another job. If you click below, you can get the guide. And if you want help mapping this out for your situation, book a 15-minute call. We'll show you how to do it right without burning out.